Hello guys, this is Erkan here. In this lecture, I will show you how to earn money from Facebook. Can you imagine that you can earn per day $300 to $500 from Facebook? It is very simple. Anyone can do this. Okay, in this lecture, I will show the secret ways. Let's see it. For this reason, you must have a Facebook page or a Facebook group. So first of all, I will show you how to create a Facebook page. Okay, let's go for it. First, open your browser and log into your Facebook account. Okay, I have logged into my Facebook account and you have to go left side and here is written that pages. Okay, click here. Here, create a new page. Okay, you have to click here. Okay, what type of page do you want to create? Business or brand, community or public figure? I like this, community or public figure. Okay, get started. Page name, I want to name the page as online earning tips. Okay, category business and economy website. Okay, continue. Okay, you have to add a profile picture. Okay, upload a profile picture. I want to make profile picture this. Okay, then you have to upload a cover photo. Okay, add a cover photo and to use this. The thing is almost done, but you have to do some changes and you have to invite your friends so that you can increase your page likes. Okay, then you can invite from here like invite and see all friends. Okay, you can select all and then send invites. Okay, I'm not inviting now, I will do it later. Okay, you can add a button here. Then you have to go to setting, page visibility, page published, visitors post. You have to change this so that no one can post on your page. Okay, disable posts by other people on the page. Save changes. Okay, and then page location, page restriction, page moderation. That's remove page. You can delete your page from here. Okay, page roles. You have to add one or two accounts of yourself as admin so that if you lost your present Facebook account, you can continue your page by your another account. Okay, you can assign new page roles: editor, admin, moderator, advisor, analyst, etc. Okay, it is so simple. Okay, page info. You have to complete your about section. Okay, description. I am writing a short description. Okay, save changes. The category business and economy website, you can add more category here. I don't want to add more. Okay, phone number, you have to put your phone number here, and website, you must have a website, and your website, you have to add your website here. Okay, email, you have to put your email here. I am putting my email. Okay, so from this address, here is your street address. You must fill up these boxes. Okay, hours, you can add your business hours here. Okay, products, you can add your products here. Okay, I am not doing this now. Okay, in this lecture I will show you one more thing, that you can grow your page likes by following these tricks. First of all, search any pages. Okay, I am searching USA, USA business. Okay, pages. Okay, I am entering. Okay, if you like this page from here, it will not be benefited for you, but what you need to do, that you have to click here, and here is the option like or unlike as your page. Okay, you have to choose this option. Okay, select a page. Okay, online earning tips, this is our page. Okay, I have selected this and submit. Okay, and see what have you done. Look, deleted pages and pages liked by this page. Okay, when a person will enter into this page, they will show your page also here. If you do this, you can get more likes to your page, so that you can promote your business or your affiliate product to your page easily. And there is another way to grow your Facebook page by promoting your Facebook page. As like I am clicking here. Okay, here is option to promote. Okay, I am not inviting now. Okay, promote. Promote your page. There is the option you can do. Promote your page. This will need money for promoting your page. Otherwise, you can make more and more Facebook account and make more and more friends, and then invite them to like your page. When you have 10,000 or 20,000 likes on your page, you can easily earn $100 to $150 per day. And if your page has 50,000 or 1 lakh likes, then you surely can earn 300 or more, as like $400 or $500. It is very simple. In the next lecture, I will show you how can you earn through your Facebook page. Okay, thanks for today, and thanks for watching this lecture, and keep going on for my next lecture. There I will show you how to earn money through your Facebook page. Okay, thank you all.